brisket.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a slit and tied roast beef with the pit, and it's easy to do. All right, slit and tied. You got to check this out. This is a cool way to deal with a relatively inexpensive piece of roast beef, right? This is a topped round roast. Most of you recognize it. It's very lean. There's no fat. Therefore, there's no flavor. So what we're going to do is take, again, what we call a relatively inexpensive piece of roast beef, right? And we're going to apply some slits, some shallow slits, not too deep, an inch, more or less. Yep, sure as heck, that's what we're doing. And your beef aficionados, come on, get a life. This is the way you take a piece of relatively bland piece of beef and you kick it up. Now, we've sliced both sides of the beef roast, and now we're going to take our seasoning-infused olive oil and get it in each slit. Get that flavor in there, right? Now, like I said, this roast has no fat, no flavor, so that's why we get that oil in there, right? And all that flavor. Now, here's the tied part. I'm going to take some butcher string and tie it. Simple enough, right? We're doing that because we want to keep the moisture in there, right? And we're going to show you how moist and tender this roast comes out. Now, I'm going to place it on the grill, opposite the hot coals, indirect. We're going to use the grill like an oven, right? Even cooking. We got a temperature of about 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's only going to take an hour, a little bit more, right? Now, every once in a while, or between beers, you want to mop that roast. We're using some barbecue sauce, of course. Oh, take a look at that. Now, that's super rare inside, you know, but just keep basting it like this. Again, relatively low temperature in the grill of 325 degrees Fahrenheit will help keep this roast moist. Oh, man. Can you smell that? It smells good. And if you can't, you're on the wrong damn channel. All right, not long to go. All right. In the miracle of time, this slit and tied beef roast is done. Oh, take a look at that. Now for the hard part. We're going to wrap it in aluminum foil, right? We need to let it rest. This is because we want all the juices to re-permeate this roast. And in no time at all, maybe 20 minutes has gone by, it's time to cut this up. Take a look at this. Look at that moisture. Oh, like a waterfall. Oh, man. And whatever you've seen a piece of roast beef look like that, right? Again, look at that moisture. Oh, you kidding me? Oh, man. This is what it's about, right? Again, moist, tender, a ton of flavor because we got that seasoning down into that roast. Looks like a science project, right? One of those prehistoric creatures. You call it what you want. This is a slit and tied beef roast. It's going to become one of your favorites at the pit. Oh. So to get the recipe, head on over to our website. And while you're there, sign up a chapter for yourself, for your bros. We'd appreciate your support. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. It's good.